everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today we are going to take a look at the Tula XII Clean It List insert and my top 3 ways to use it. Okay, so today we are going to look at the exclusive Tula XII Clean It List insert. This is available for a limited time, but I love the layout, and as promised, I am back to show you a couple of different ways that we can use this. Now, the fun thing about this is it's sectioned into boxes that have check marks that you can make your list in. One of my top ways is you could get one of these for each one of your kiddos and have chores list every day. So it doesn't have to be just about cleaning. It could be about so many other things as well. And in that situation, you would just maybe put the kid's name in here. You could even put a picture if you wanted to, make it really personal. And then you could do something every single day where they just have their chore list to do. They get check marks or they can check them off as they do it. If you want to use one for the entire family, you can color code them as well. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just 1 second. But I also want to teach you a few little hacks because I know personally, I can't wait to dive into this insert. I want to use it as just a task list. So I'm not necessarily going to use it as a clean home list, although that will be probably some of the things on my tasks as well. But one of the things that you can do is if you have any whiteout, you can take some whiteout and you can just go right over top of those words, just like that. And then if you have some washi tape, and I'm gonna use the sunflower washi tape because it's just so pretty, and you can take some washi tape to it and just go right over top of it, and easy peasy. I'm just going to rip that right against the side there. So that is one way if you don't want it to say a clean house list or a clean home list, you can white that out and just cover that up with washi tape. Now, in order to do a color coding system, if you have multiple people that are going to be using this and you want a different section for each person, you can assign a different color to each person and then just color code over top of this little black and white washi strip. It's going to give it a little bit of personality, which is kind of cool. And it makes it fun for everybody that's looking at it. Because, you know, sometimes chores are not necessarily the most fun thing, but you could use all kinds of different colors and you could color code it and just give it a little bit of pop also. Now, if you did want to use this as a clean home list, it's super, super simple to do. All you're gonna do is block it off. Now, you could do it by room if you wanted to and have a whole kind of layout of your home. You could do the bedrooms, you could do the kitchen, the laundry room, the bathrooms, living room. Maybe you have like a gathering area. Maybe you have like a mud room. There's lots of different ways that you could do that. Or you could do that also just by day and the things that you want to get done that way. So if I was to do this, I'm just going to pretend I was doing this for myself today. And this is, we're going to do it as if it was a clean house kind of day. I always do laundry on my clean house day. So I'm just going to write laundry. And then counters in kitchen. They take some time because we have to move everything off of them in order to properly clean them, right? Counters in the bathrooms. Floors, because that's a whole job in itself, as you may know, and dusting. Now, you could get much more specific than that, obviously, but this just shows you how easy it is to make a list and just kind of have some fun with it. Like I said, there's so many different ways that you could use this insert, and I can't wait to see how you might want to use it. So in the comments below, go ahead and drop a little note to me and let me know how you would use this insert. But I love the fact that it is just filled with these boxes for your list and your check marks when it's done. Easy way to color code if you'd like to, give it a little bit of personality. And if you don't like that saying up there, just cover it up with a little piece of washi tape. I hope this was helpful in trying to decide what is best for you in order for you to use this insert most efficiently. Have a wonderful day, friends, and I can't wait to see